Number 10. Mini-mental state, a practical method for grading the cognitive state of patients for the clinician. Published on Journal of Psychiatric Research at 1975. Total citation 53,423. Number 9. A revised medium for rapid growth and bio-assays with tobacco tissue cultures. Published on Physiologia Plantarum at 1962. Total citation 53,696. Number 8. Development of the Colle Salvetti correlation energy formula into a functional of the electron density. Published on Physical Review B at 1988. Total citation 53,696. Number 7. Density functional thermochemistry. 3. The role of exact exchange. Published on the Journal of Chemical Physics at 1993. Total citation 56,923. Number 6. Single-step method of RNA isolation by acid guanidinium thiocyanate phenol chloroform extraction. Published on Analytical Biochemistry at 1987. Total citation 62,344. Number 5. DNA sequencing with chain terminating inhibitors. Published on Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences of the United States of America at 1977. Total citation 64,031. Number 4. A Mathematical Theory of Communication published on Bell Labs Technical Journal at 1948. Total citation 69,273. Number 3. Rapid and sensitive method for quantitation of microgram quantities of protein utilizing principle of protein dye binding. Published on Analytical Biochemistry at 1976. Total citation 190,309. Number 2. Protein measurement with the Folin phenol reagent. Published on Journal of Biological Chemistry at 1951. Total citation 192,710. Number 1. Cleavage of structural proteins during the assembly of the head of bacteriophage T4 published on Nature at 1970. Total citation 223,131.